please do not throw sausage pizza away. Or, please do not take salespeople's advice. Which one do you think is easier to remember? Hi guys, I'm Shaina and welcome to FLACKBOX'S channel. And I'm here to do a series of vlog about my journey in reviewing for the CCNA. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I posted a new video. So guys, we are now on the part 2 of this vlog series about my journey in reviewing for the CCNA. And if you're new to my channel, the part 1 of the video can be found on the description below. Just click the link on the description below so you'll be directed to that video. Right now guys, I'm literally craving for pizza because this OSI Mnemonics really triggers my hunger while I am reviewing. So I don't know if we have pizza with sausage toppings here, but I think we don't have that here. Anyway, we don't have pizza right now. Let's move on. Maybe I could grab something to eat later because there's so much information here and I don't want to fall asleep. I am now on the section 3 of review of this CCNA course by FLACKBOX'S, and I'm also done installing the packet tracer. And I'm very excited to use this for the lab exercises. So we are now on the section 3 and we are on the main real topic of this course. And everything will start on reviewing our favorite OSI model. And of course, don't forget our favorite acronyms to remember these layers. For me, I really like the please do not throw sausage pizza away. I think that's my favorite now. That's cute and for me it's easier to remember. So what is your favorite mnemonics of the OSI layers? Share it with us. Just post it on the comment section. So let's see what other mnemonics can we use here. Maybe we could do a mnemonics challenge. Anyways, since I am now on the real core of this review, I have to prepare for a lot of terminologies here and I want to be familiar with all of them. I want to be an expert to this because this is the foundation of everything. Not for only me but I think for all of us. So this needs to be our ABC. What I did guys here, I got a notebook here. So this is an old notebook given to me by my former employer. So I'm not able to use this before. I'm going to use this now. And just like the old school days, how I'm doing my review, how I organize myself, how I literally study before to pass the examinations and other things, quizzes, exams, activities. I want to take note all of the important terminologies here on my magic notebook. Yes guys, you can actually download the PDF file of each lectures. So there's a ready to download PDF file there on our course. That PDF file will help us to review wherever we are by just using our mobile phones. We can review anywhere. But me guys, I prefer to jot down notes on my notebook. It's like I have 2 copies. I have PDF files here on my mobile phones and I also have notes here on my magic notebook. So you can also do the same thing guys. I don't know, but I'm just used to this because I can easily remember things if I write it, and there's a lot of benefits of writing notes by hand. For me guys, it improves my memory and help me to focus and also to organize things. And in addition to that, I also have here my favorite calendar planner. It's Hello Kitty and it's very cute. It's very attractive for me. Yeah, and I really like it. I really used to have planner yearly. I record all of the important things here, important events and important schedules. Even though we can do it on our phone calendars, but I'm still a fan of a traditional planner. I just bought it guys on the online shop. Here we go, section 3 of this course. More on OSI Model and TCP/IP. After the lecture here guys, on this course, I actually watched some videos on YouTube regarding this topic. In that way, I can also visualize, how it is being applied on the real world. I appreciate other videos here on YouTube, especially those videos with some impressive animations. I really appreciate that. It really helps me to understand the topic much better and much clearer, and I'm able to compare information from the videos that I watched and help me to be more familiar with some terminologies. We can also do research, guys, on external resources. In that way, we can compare information and we can still stay on the track since we are following the course here provided by FLACKBOX. Trust me, we will not get lost. So what's more on section 3, guys? Host-to-host communication, TCP/IP stack, OSI layers, the upper and the lower layers, and there's some sort of quiz here to test ourselves. And the next section, it's more on Cisco iOS operating system. And honestly, I'm new to this. Cisco iOS operating system. Actually, I've never heard it before. Or maybe I'm just absent that day when the professor is teaching this topic. Yeah, I'm actually alien to this topic, guys. The first time I watched the videos, I'm literally... So I think I need to research more on this one. I don't know how this works. I've never seen this on the real world. I've never experienced this. If you have insight about Cisco iOS operating system, please help me, guys. Leave a comment on the comment section. Let's help each other, you know. On the section 5, that's going to be more on the transport layer and the network layer. With this kind of topic, I'm already familiar with this. Yeah, and except for that Cisco iOS operating system, I think I have to research half a day for this topic. And it has a lab exercise where I will use the packet tracer for the first time. Yeah, and I'm very excited to use the packet tracer. What else I can share here? I'm not busy these days. It's just a normal days. I can spend a lot of time in reviewing. It's January and the holiday season is over. We can spend our time in reviewing. That's all that I can share for now, guys. If you want to connect with me, you can follow me on my social media accounts. And if you want to learn more about FLACKBOX, you can also follow us on our social media accounts. Our social media accounts is on the description below. All the links to this topic is on the description below. Make sure to check that out. So if you have some question about this CCNA bootcamp provided by FLACKBOX, you can ask us questions on the comment section below. That's all what I can share for now. If you have some question, feel free to ask us on the comment section and we'll answer your question as soon as possible. And check our description link to learn more about the CCNA course provided by FLACKBOX. And feel free to download the lab exercises for free. The link to that is also on the description below. And see you on my next video.